Hi, I'm your host Jeremy. This is Lingo. Yes, in this lesson we're going to learn in my opinion in Chinese. In my opinion, you can translate in my opinion into 依我看,我认为,依我看,我认为. It's more like I think based on my idea. Let me give you some examples. 依我看,这部电影缺乏实质内容。依我看,这部电影缺乏实质内容。In my opinion, this movie lacks content. 我觉得这是他一生中写的最好的歌。我觉得这是他一生中写的最好的歌。In my opinion, this song probably the best song in his whole life. 在我看来，不是所有的付出都会有回报。在我看来，不是所有的付出都会有回报。In my opinion, not all the efforts will pay back. In the future, you can translate in my opinion into 我觉得。我认为，依我看，在我看来 both are doable. It's simply to refer I think, I reckon, based on my idea, or in my opinion. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.